10th standard students, JC English High School, a very good morning and warm wishes to all the students. So now we are going through the geography chapter 5, that is the water resources of India. As of now we have already done the major rivers of India, and in the last video we have done irrigation. What are the types of, what is the meaning of irrigation, what are the need for irrigation, types of irrigation, well, canal and tank. Now today's topic is multi-purpose river valley project. Okay, multi-purpose river valley project. Multi-purpose means several uses are there. That time we are telling it multi-purpose. Multi means several. Okay. River valley project. Dams. What are the dams? On that basis only we will be starting our this chapter. So first we will go for a brief introduction regarding the multi-purpose river valley project. So the river valley project which provide multiple benefits are called multiple river valley project. So the river valley project which are giving us the multiple benefits, they are known as multi-purpose river valley project. River valley project is there, means we are constructing a dam. Dam is nothing but a construction of dam means the water which is going through the river, we will make a barrier there so that water will be storing there. For that several burying that water, we are having several benefits. So now we will go for the importance, need or aim. The main aim of this project are, what are the main aim, what are the benefits we are getting, that we will be discussing. So first is the to provide water for irrigation. The first one, to provide water for irrigation facility. Irrigation is very much needed for the agriculture because water is not present everywhere. So in that place we have to take the help of irrigation. These dams and all are made to provide water for the irrigation facility, to control the flood. Okay, if barriers is not there, water will go like that and they will be destructing the villages after villages. But if dam is there, the water, if it is more also, it is not able to go. So it control the flood to generate hydroelectricity power. Okay, see, from water only we are getting all this power what we are having. Okay, that is known as hydro. Hydro means water. So the electricity which is generated from water, that is known as hydroelectricity. We can generate water, we can generate electricity from the water if dams are there, because water is very much needed not for only irrigation but for generation of electricity also, to prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion also, see, water will go here and there. Okay, so if dam is there, the water will not go like that, so soil erosion will be less. To develop inland waterways and fishing. Fishing will be very much supplemented with all these dams and all. So it provides help to upliftment for the fishing, and waterways, boating and all we can do. Okay, recreation purpose. Okay, see, the next point is to provide recreation facilities. Boating facilities should be there. Okay, you can border some place of the dam and you can make use for swimming pool like that. Okay, so the next is to provide water for domestic purpose and industries. From there water can be given to the, most of the dams are there nearby places, they are benefited with the water for the household purpose, that is the domestic purpose, and even the water is also supplied to the industries. Industries also need water for their operations. Okay, to reclaim land for agriculture. Agriculture is there. Okay, so it will help the agriculture, so it also reclaim the agriculture. Afforestation. Afforestation means the opposite of deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting of the trees, and it helps in this multi-purpose river valley project. They helps in afforestation, means new plants we can plant, we can give water there. Okay, so that it will come out with good structure. Okay, so afforestation means the necessity to get more plants. Okay, now these are over. So these all are the points what we have discussed. Now we will go for the major river multi-purpose river valley project. Okay, see, in the notes I have written around 50 to 55 this type of projects. Okay, it's there in your activity. But what are the major project? We will be discussing those one. So here it is 8 points are there, means 8 projects are there. We will be discussing regarding this 8 river valley project. Okay, the first one is the Damodar Valley project. It is in West Bengal. Okay. This is the first multi-purpose river valley project of the country in our independent country, India. This is the first river valley project, Damodar Valley project. It was designed by Tennessee Valley Authority, TVA in USA. This dam here, a dam, a barrage, with that other things are there, we will be discussing. This was designed by Tennessee Valley Authority, TVA in USA. Damodar was called the sorrow of Bengal. Before the construction of this Damodar Valley project, okay, this river, Damodar river, it was called the sorrow of West Bengal or sorrow of Bengal. Because why it was called sorrow? Because it was causing devastating flood, okay, during the rainy season and damage crop. It will damage the crop. Once the dam is there, it is not able, this river is not able to do like that, floods and all, okay. And human settlements, villages after villages are washed out with the water during the flood, okay. So the main aim of the project are to control of flood, provide irrigation, navigation, generation of hydroelectricity, afforestation, control of soil erosion, promotion of mining. I told that water are supplied to the industries, mining industries, okay, and inland fishery, okay. Also to control the devastating issue like flood, crop damage, restore human settlement, okay. These are the things for which this dam was prepared or constructed there. This project has been jointly undertaken by this project was jointly done by the government of Bihar and West Bengal across river Damodar and its tributaries. This Damodar river is having some tributaries on this total place. It is a junction place between Bengal and Bihar. So these two governments, they have taken the initiative to propose this project. This project comprises of 4 dams. This total project is having 4 dams. What are they? Tilaiya, Konar, Maithon and Panchethil. These are the name of the 4 dams which comprises this total Damodar Valley project. Also a barrage is there. Okay, barrage means same as dam. Okay, but in a bigger size. That is, it is in also the barrage Durgapur and 3 thermal power station at Bokaro, Durgapur and Chandrapura is settled out from this Damodar River Valley project. Okay, so Durgapur, see this Damodar Valley project, okay, this one it is in West Bengal and there only one barrage, 4 dams are there, Tilaiya, Konar, Maithon and Panchethil, but one barrage is there, that is in Durgapur. It's a city, it's a steel township city. Also the Durgapur steel plant is there, okay, and there only 3 thermal power stations are there also. Not only in Durgapur, it's in Bokaro, Chandrapura and Chandrapura and Durgapur. Okay, Durgapur is my hometown. Okay, I belongs to Durgapur only. Okay, so next is the Bhakra Nangal project. Okay, next is the Bhakra Nangal project. It is a joint venture of the state of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Like Damodar was the joint project of Bihar and West Bengal. This is a joint venture of the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. This project comprises of 2 dams. They are having only 2 dams at Bhakra and Nangal. That's why the project name is Bhakra Nangal project. Across the river Satluj, which rises in Himachal Pradesh, and they are having 4 powerhouses. Powerhouses are same as the hydroelectric generation power plant. Okay, flood control, irrigation facility, generation of hydroelectricity, prevention of soil erosion and promoting afforestation are the main objectives of the project. See, this aim of the project of all the dams and the river valley project, are almost same, one or two points will be here and there, but this flood irrigation, because water is used for the purpose what the people of Karnataka is using, West Bengal is using, Haryana is using, Tamil Nadu is using, the purpose of using the water is same. Bhakra Dam is 226 meter high and it is the highest straight gravity dam in India. Okay, Bhakra Dam, Bhakra Nangal, two dams are there. Out of that, Bhakra Dam is 226 meter high, 226 meter high, and it is the highest straight gravity dam in India. The reservoir created by the dam is called Govind Sagar. Okay, one reservoir is also there from Bhakra Dam project, and there this one dam is called that reservoir. They have made a reservoir to supply water. Even the dam is there means water is there stagnant. Okay, from there they have made a reservoir also. The reservoir name is Govind Sagar to supply water for the irrigation. Whatever the purpose we have told. Okay, I told you that the purpose are mainly same: irrigation facility, generation of electricity, prevention of soil erosion, afforestation, promoting that one, industrial and drinking water. So with this we have completed this 2-1, and in the next video we will be discussing these 6 dams. Thank you.